Hey, I wanted to do a video about packing for travel a couple of months ago, and I never got around to it. And now I'm actually going on a trip where I have to pack for travel. I'm going to Europe for a couple of weeks, and I thought this would be a good opportunity to share some of my tips. All right, so here we go. I'm not one who packs with enormous bags. So this is a medium-sized bag, sort of what you would normally take for like maybe a long weekend. And here is an overnight bag, which is really small. And this is what I carry for my emergency stuff because I do have my suitcase lost, not infrequently, but enough. This is a great tip. Instead of folding your stuff like in half, like this, I always take my clothing and I wrap it in a small, so I roll it. Boy, does that save space. Here's another super tip. When you are taking a jacket, take the collars, all right, or what would be the collars if it's collarless, line it up, punch one shoulder into the other, fold down, and then roll. And it doesn't wrinkle, puts no strain on your jacket, and boy, it takes hardly any room in your suitcase. I think I've picked everything I'm going to bring, and I'm shopping around a color scheme. Everything on the bottom is going to be black. You could pick all navy, but just that way you have less pocketbooks, you have less shoes. Everything seems to mix and match. And a rule of thumb, I only want to bring it if I'm going to wear it more than once. Okay, so here we go. So I started with leggings, okay? I have a short pair that come to my knee and a long pair that come to my ankle. The long pair are very lightweight. And here's my only constructed pair of pants. These are a black and white print. And then this skirt is by Frank Lyman. I got it at Just Boutique years ago, and it's reversible to solid black. How great is that for travel? This black knit top is very elegant, drapes elegantly, and it goes with every single one of the bottoms. I'm going to need a pop of color. And again, this goes with all of my bottoms. I can't just go with solids for a whole 2 weeks, so I'm bringing two printed tops. This one has black and white with color all in it, and this one has black, so that will be able to go with 3 of the 4 bottoms I'm bringing. And again, 3 of the 4 bottoms. I could even do that black and white top with this black and white pant too. And I adore this David Ribkoff top. And it will be my only long sleeve shirt that I'm bringing. I am bringing that jacket that I rolled up earlier. So that will be great. I ripped out the label of this dress, but it's a long dress. It's got pockets. I love this. And so when I want to feel elegant in hot weather, this is going to be great. And look at how this just packs into nothing. So I'm going to fold it in half, and then look at this. Nothing, just no, and it won't wrinkle or anything. So these knits are absolutely fabulous to travel with. Just one more thing. This is a great vest. I can wear this long, or I can wear it short. So it is absolutely fabulous to travel with. And it takes absolutely no room in my suitcase. I won't take the time to show you the short version, but if I wear it backwards, it comes like this. I can wear it with a skirt, I can wear it with the shorts, and I can wear it with the leggings, and I can wear it with the black and white print. So there you go, all my bottoms. I don't think I told you what I'm going to do for shoes. So I'm going to wear these Charleston boots on the airplane. I can wear them with bare feet, and the temperature is going to be between the low 70s and low 80s. So this is fine for that weather. And then 3 other pairs. I love lug soles. They're really comfortable. So I will be wearing these as my comfortable walking shoes for sandals. And then these actually are pretty dressy looking and a great low heel. So this will be my dress shoe. These also pack really small. And then my sneakers. I have my orthotics in there, so they're real comfortable, footbed in there. And these are my sneakers. So they're not taking much room. Purses. I'm a big believer in changing my purse, but I'm not going to bring that many to Europe. First of all, I'm bringing a fanny pack. That's very close, and I can wear it underneath shirts because, I don't want pickpockets driving me crazy in Europe. This is what I'm going to be traveling with on my plane for documents and carrying my iPad and that kind of stuff. And just this fun little bag, silver and black, to take out for dinner, when I'm going out for dinner. So that's easy, and it packs all really well. I've shoved my underwear in all different little crevices in my suitcase, but the big space thing is makeup and skincare. So let me show you what I love this. This is what Mary Kay puts their eye gel in, and when I run out of it, I have little travel sizes. So I put our cleanser in there, and so all these little things that are over 3 ounces go into these little travel things. Okay, so check this out. This Mary Kay also makes travel size skincare sets. So this is my emergency. This is going to go in my emergency bag, all the little things like that. And it fits into one of the pockets of the travel roll-up bag. Here are the other pockets of my travel roll-up bag, okay? And they rip off so I can stick them in anywhere in the suitcase. And then when I get to the hotel, if it's a small bathroom, it's so easy to hang all this stuff up, okay? So I'll show you what this all looks like when it's all packed. Okay, makeup. So this is easy. I love this little look how skinny this is, all right? So this holds so much color. I can find happiness in 2 weeks with all this color, right? And then this is my brush set with a travel area. So the brushes are in here. Here's a big pocket for concealers, foundations, lipsticks, all kinds of stuff. This all goes in there. So that's my makeup. Okay, I'm all packed. And it's a good thing to pack a little early, because if you realize you're out of something and you're packing the night before, you're just out of luck. So let's switch this around. Here's my medium-sized bag, okay? And I haven't even touched any of this. Like, there's a big packet in here that I can fill with, and I haven't even touched the outside thing. So I can put my computer in there if I want to bring that. And here is if my suitcase gets lost bag, makeup, skincare. My emergency skincare is in there. Just a change of clothes, underwear, pajamas, one bathing suit. And again, the cover has not been filled. So I have plenty of room. So if I want to shop a little, I can. Let's turn that around. So if I want to shop a little, I can. And I am not going to stress about wearing the same thing a couple of times while I'm on vacation. So rule of thumb, make sure that it packs well. Make sure you're going to wear it more than once, and get fabrics that don't wrinkle and that pack really well and go into the suitcase in a little minute. So hope these tips were helpful.